The keyword for our business is wisdom. If we cannot deliver wisdom through our data, through our analysis, through our strategy, through our methodology, I think we are wasting time with each other. And wisdom can only be derived if we build our business or spiking on a very dynamic basis. Whatever the market throws at us, how do we respond? We can respond in a few ways. Number one, in the way we change and tweak our products so that we are matching the needs of the market. Like current market, let me tell you, we are pushing the data really, really hard to identify the next really sniper kind of a kill it all stock. We're pushing on that, all right? We're also working on a product whereby we can 100% automate the entire process of investing and trading so that we free up our time, focus on getting the wisdom from the market. So these are some of the things we are working